Alright, we live again. Let's get it. Let's just hope everything is working perfectly fine now. Um, bro, did the stream really end, bro? Oh, come on, man. Alright, hold up. I need to end that stream that's going on. Alright, we're back. Video CP, interesting. Alright, everything should be good now. My iPad needs to charge, hold up. Bro, this thing is cooking, dog. Holy shit. Gotta cool this down a bit. Alright, guys. We're back up. Alright, everything working now? Bro, why does this stream is going on? Like the next stream, I don't understand why does it keep on going on. Like, it should be ending right now. It should. Bro, this shit is so dumb, dog. Oh my god, it keeps on. The stream should end. Like, give me a moment, guys. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. Please, give me a moment. Give me a moment. Bro, so fucking. Oh my fucking god, bro. Why does this shit keeps happening to me, man? My luck these days, bro. Unreal. The previous stream should have ended, but it's not. Alright, hold up. Alright. Should be good. It's whatever. Let's get it. Show you my controls. This is my HUD. You have to make out the buttons because I don't have time to. I play 4-finger claw. This is my sensitivity. These are my sensitivities. Yo, King Lass, what's up, bro? Thank you for stopping by, man. Bro, we drop hella viewers right now because the stream is fucking acting weird, dog. I got another domination. Bro, I gotta. I'm gonna make a video on that. I'm gonna make a video on my hot layout. Just give me a second. EK Team Blow, bro, that's not how it works. I don't just give out CP like that, bro. I'm not rich. Like, where do I get the CP from, bro?
Capture the objectives.
Have you ever thought about where should I get
C.
the CP?
We're capturing A.
Where would I get the CP from?
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Enemy has Charlie. Capturing Alpha. Friendly Molotov.
Are you just asking because I'm rich?
Enemy Molotov. Inside. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Friendly Molotov out. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Friendly Molotov out. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. We're capturing Bravo.
Listen to that Molotov spam, man. Just listen to that Molotov spam.
Semtex out! Friendly Molotov out.
Oh my god, I couldn't drop down. Wait.
We captured B.
Semtex out! Reloading! Cover me!
We've taken
Contact
the
with
lead.
enemy!
I'm hurt.
I got shot!
Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed.
Semtex
UAV
out!
online.
Entire vibe is good, bro. Not killing anything.
I got shot.
We're capturing C. Friendly Molotov out.
My teammates are overextended.
Friendly Molotov out. Capturing C.
Enemy contact!
Friendly Molotov out. Friendly Molotov out.
Changing mag!
One guy's camping up top. Okay, fine. Nice night, dude. I guess.
Semtex out!
We're capturing C. Losing Bravo.
I got shot!
Okay, god. Wow. None of my bullets registered here. That's crazy, though.
Semtex out!
UAV online.
Target's in
Keep on them.
sight.
We're winning this one.
I'm down!
Counter UAV up.
Reloading!
They're blind. We're almost there. Keep it up.
I got shot.
Friendly Molotov out.
Reloading. Cover me.
Bullets are barely registered.
Friendly Molotov out.
Changing mag!
Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
Enemy in sight!
Capture the objectives. Enemy taking A.
Semtex out!
Capturing C. We captured C. Enemy has Alpha. Enemy taking B. We've taken the lead. Friendly Molotov out. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Friendly Molotov out.
Come on, teammates, you're right there, bro. How do you let me die there, dog? You're right there, I stick it on my box. Can't rely on my teammates, bro. Teammate was right there and I died. That's crazy.
Enemy in sight! Semtex out!
Dead.
Friendly Molotov out.
Bro, bullets don't. Bro, like my bullets not even
Semtex
connecting,
out!
man. That's crazy. Like a whole clip. Maybe I'm just not aiming. Bro.
Enemy taking Bravo.
God, bro, a whole fucking clip, dog. How, dude? A whole clip. Come on, man.
We're capturing
What
A.
the? Is he hacking? Why not?
Friendly Molotov out. Enemy has B.
Wow.
Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted.
Can't believe they kept A. Kept B. I didn't see those two guys on the thing.
Enemy in
Capturing
sight.
B.
Down.
Capture Bravo.
Back up!
UAV online.
Bro,
Heads up,
I'm
team.
getting
Enemy
shot from
UAV
out of
spotted.
no fucking
Losing
way,
B.
dog. It's crazy.
Reloading!
Friendly Molotov out. Enemy Shock RC is coming. UAV recon deployment.
Now I'm crying.
Enemy contact!
Friendly Molotov out.
I think I need to rework my attachments because this is not it, man. I'm getting like hit for so much damage.
We lost Bravo.
My output damage is so low.
Capturing Alpha.
Like long range, I can't kill anything.
Enemy spotted. You're hurting. Keep fighting.
Nice cap.
Captured A. We're
Reloading!
capturing Bravo.
Follow me!
Losing Charlie. Friendly
Watch my
Molotov
box,
out.
teammate. Teammate, watch my box, please.
UAV recon standing by. Repeat. UAV
Target's in
recon standing by. Captured B. Objective almost complete. Keep it up. UAV online. Losing A. Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted. We lost C. We're capturing B. We captured Bravo. We lost Charlie. Losing Alpha. Losing Bravo. Friendly Molotov out. Enemy UAV spotted.
Bro, it's
Hostiles
like
jamming our
my
radar.
bullets don't even
Friendly
register.
Molotov out.
I'm down!
Oh my god, that's the crazy part.
Friendly Molotov
What the
out.
fuck?
Online.
Y'all saw that?
Shock RC is coming.
Yo, y'all saw that shit?
He's up. Good work.
Yo, y'all saw that shit, bro? That man just teleported through the wall. Yo, Sahar, if you were tuning to my stream and keeping up to date, you would understand that. Or you will understand the reason why I'm not on phone. Obviously, I am not on my phone right now. I have reasons, bro. Tune into my community post. Y'all keep asking the same questions, the same irrelevant questions, and I keep on explaining myself. I'm not on phone because my adapter aren't working with my phone. So I'm waiting on another one. I've ordered it. Well, I'm still searching for a hub to work with my
Mission accomplished. Good work.
PC setup, so I can stream on my phone. I have to go back to my iPad in order to make content. If you don't like that, bro, then It's what it is, bro. I explained this a million times, though. Of course I'm not on phone. Obviously, bro. What perks? I'm not playing so hot right now. I'm using Ghost, Lightweight, and Dead Silence. But I need to rework the... I need to rework something, bro. I need to remove the grip. Doesn't need a grip. Remove the grip. And add some stock on it. No stock? I'm sure I'm no stock. Does it need a muzzle though? Try to use a muzzle. The muzzle is not working that much. So alright, let's try this loadout. Let's try that loadout and see what it is. Yeah, HG40, bro. I have like I have so many guns gold right now. What do you mean, bro? How do I make Shock RC? Just tap the fire button. That's how you get out of Shock RC. Just tap the fire button. Just spam your fire button.
Reloading. Cover me.
Of course, bro. I'm trying to hit platinum on the SMGs. I have to grind, man.
Destroy.
You have to grind. Don't grind, you don't achieve.
Defend the objectives. They have the bomb.
Laser and kids across map.
Semtex out!
Friendly Molotov out. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Enemy
Friendly
contact.
Molotov out.
I haven't played rank in a while.
Down.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Changing mag.
I got shot!
Okay, I got sniped. I got sniped. Oh,
Nice
no, I haven't
work.
played rank in a
Ready
while.
for the
Forgive me,
next
guys. I'm
round.
playing like shit right now, but it's whatever, man. All I'm focused on right now is not getting Molotov down.
Defend the objective. The enemy has the bomb.
That's what I have to focus on. It's hard to get gameplays out here with all this like Molotov spamming bullshit going on. You know?
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Friendly Molotov out.
Semtex out! Sniper!
Friendly Molotov out.
I'm down.
He's camping up there.
Reloading.
Changing back. Got shot.
You are the last one. Complete mission.
Wait, what? Yo, y'all saw that later?
They have the bomb. The bomb has been planted. UAV recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. UAV online.
Let's go. GG's.
Bomb defused. Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
This class actually feels good.
Defend the objectives. The enemy has the bomb.
Grenade out!
Semtex out!
Friendly Molotov out. Be careful. Molotov. Friendly Molotov out.
Target's in sight!
You see when I jumped? Alright, what when I hit the wall right here? See that? Hit the wall and ricocheted. That's how I died, bro. That's... Oh my god, bro. Simple parkour, bro. That's how I died. And we got one guy trying
Be
to
careful.
die.
Enemy Molotov. Last man standing. Finish it.
GG's. Nice, man. I hit the fucking wall, bro.
They have the bomb.
Nice, dude. Yo, he's on your left, bro. You blind? No way, bro.
Enemy in sight.
What? Oh, what? Oh,
Bomb has been
nice,
planted.
nice.
Changing mag!
He's dead.
I got shot!
He should have looked up the
Lost that
stairs
round, but it's
before he
not over
climbed.
yet.
GG's, nice
Ready
try,
up.
dude. Very nice try.
Defend the objective.
Too bad I have to run with my pistol because I can't run my grenades. I should try a knife on this class to get speed boost.
Flag out!
The enemy has the bomb. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Friendly Molotov out.
Semtex out!
Getting audio box. Oh my god. Move! Bitch, move! Oh my fucking gosh, bro. I hate this
Be
dude.
careful.
Fucking
Enemy
hate.
Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Nice work.
Nice work. Get ready for the
Dude
next
almost
round.
got me killed, bro. Team Collision is still in the game. Let's go.
Destroy the objective. Bomb acquired.
Rush A! Semtex
Friendly
out!
Molotov out. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Enemy in sight.
I'm dead. Nice, teammate.
Rush A!
The bomb has been planted.
Okay, that's one dead. Nice work, teammates.
Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
Yo, Roger Matthew, what's up, bro? Welcome to the stream.
Destroy the objective. We got the bomb.
Grenade out!
Frag out!
Semtex out!
Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
He's bugging.
Enemy contact. Reloading. Cover me.
The bomb has been planted.
Martin trying to snipe me, bro. He's up now. He jumped out. GG's. Bro, this AG40 is insane, man.
Enemy contact.
I'm gonna get the Car 98. grind soon, bro. I'm gonna get on the grind, Car 98 grind soon. As soon as I finish with the SMGs, I'm gonna get on the Car 98, get some gameplays, and then get on the AR. Nah, not gonna do SMG only, bro. It's too much work.
Nice work. Well done.
I'm trying to showcase the HG40 class setup in every mode, not just one mode, you know? 8 on 1, not too bad. Gemini equal nerd, big facts, bro. No life, you know? You know what I mean? Come on, my camera really shaking. Shaking and better. Bro, my adapter, my hub is on fire literally, bro. This thing is so hot right now, bro. It's crazy. I don't know what to do with it. Trying to sort out all these wires. It's legit on fire right now. Putting hard point. Also need to change the sight on that.
Hard point.
Be careful, enemy Molotov. Be careful, enemy
Hard
Molotov.
point identified.
Holy shit.
We tied for the lead. Friendly Molotov
Enemy
out.
contact.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Hostiles have captured the hard point. We lost the lead. Hard point is ours.
Down. Need backup.
We need trophies on the hill.
It's too close. Fight harder.
Or else we're gonna get
We've taken the lead. Hard point contested. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Hard point contested.
Down! Need backup!
Hostiles have the hard point. Friendly
Oh my god, bro, what the?
Hard point
Y'all see
locked
that, bro? I
down.
got stuck on the fucking. What?
Hard point contested. Hard point contested.
Semtex out!
Hard point contested. Hostiles have captured the hard point. Hard point is
Enemy
ours.
contact.
Hard point contested. Hard point lost. Hard point locked down.
I'm down.
Capture the objective. Hard point identified.
I got shot!
Hostiles have captured the hard
Changing
point.
mag!
Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Why would you run through
Hard
it?
point is ours.
Changing mag.
Alright, I'm watching you on here. Oh, I got this.
Target's in sight.
Hard point contested.
What?
Hard point contested. UAV recon ready for deployment. UAV online. UAV online.
You made it in?
Friendly Molotov out.
You got that thing.
Reloading. Cover me.
Capture the objective. Hard point identified. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Hard point lost. SAM turret ready for deployment.
Grenade! Changing mag.
Breach! Where the fuck was he hiding?
Reloading.
Bro, look at this
Hard
pussy
point
dog.
contested. Hard
No
point
way,
contested.
bro. Thought he was on the stage.
Hostiles have the hard point.
What a fucking nerd.
Friendly Molotov out.
Man, just
Hard point is ours.
Frag out!
sat on the fucking. Oh my.
Enemy contact.
One guy already rotating. I got you.
Hardpoint contested.
Semtex out.
Heads up. Enemy spotted. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint lost.
I got shot!
Capture the
Oh
objective.
my god,
Hardpoint
teammate, nice work, nice
identified.
work, teammate, nice work.
Capture the objective.
One here, nice.
Capture the objective. Hardpoint locked down. Friendly Molotov
Semtex
out.
out.
Hardpoint contested.
Cover me. Reload.
Those headshot practice come into play.
UAV online.
Come push on here. Down kill.
Enemy contact.
Hardpoint contested.
Reloading. Cover me.
Engage all defenses.
UAV online. UAV online.
Dude is going up here. I think I saw him.
Hunter killer drone deployed.
Swore I saw someone up here.
Keep on it. We win this one.
Nice throw, dude. Nice drop shot.
Semtex out.
Very nice. Bro, hit him with the Kobe. Get into the side.
Reloading.
Got it, teammate. We'll win off these. GG's, boys. Could have played a lot faster, but I want to keep it, you know.
Targets in sight!
What's going on
Just
in the
another
chat?
day. Good job.
Didn't do too bad. Didn't do too bad. Could have done a lot better, but didn't do bad. Alright, I need to change out. Right. So I need to see what scope I have on this. I had a class set up for this. I want to change the scope on this, man. The scope I have running is not the one I want to use. I want to use that small red dot. I think it's this, yeah. This is red dot. Nice. Alright, we're gonna get some more gameplays with AG40 and then we're going over to the cardite. I wanna get some decent gameplays, you know, so I can compile them and show you guys. When I lost it in the order. Yo, I got an MSMC class, bro. That would blow your that shit would blow your mind, dog. Yo, I was using it to get like that. Oh my god, the MSMC is just a laser beam right now. Absolutely nuts. For that class, yeah, I'm gonna show you. Don't worry, bro. I'm gonna show you guys. Don't worry. I got them. I got them saved. We add one person to the queue, bro, and the queue time extended. Okay. So, obviously we can't play with someone that's higher. I thought I had a class for this. So what is using this class? Hold on. Take out the monolithic. Add a double long barrel for grip. No stock. I need ammo. Alright, so beat this class, bro. This thing is a laser beam, bro. Should I add the laser to increase ADS speed? Throw on the laser for that. Gemini equals Sim, imagine. Alright, standoff is a good map to run this you know. Everyone is running gold, bro. Oh my god. Bro, this is still not the red that I want to use. That's smarter that I forgot what it looks like.
Hardpoint identified. Friendly Molotov out. It's too close. Fight harder.
Contact
Friendly
with enemy.
Molotov out. Friendly Molotov out. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Hardpoint locked down. We've taken the lead.
Nice
Hostiles
kill.
have captured the hardpoint. We tied for the lead.
Bro, are you
Be
telling me
careful.
that my
Enemy
teammate can't
Molotov.
capture the-
Friendly Molotov out. Friendly Molotov out. Lost the lead. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint contested. Hostiles
Come
have the
on,
hardpoint.
teammate!
Hardpoint is ours.
No help, man.
Friendly
Come on.
Molotov out.
Same out!
It's too close. Fight harder. Hardpoint contested.
I hurt!
We've taken the lead. Hunter killer drone deployed. UAV online. Hardpoint contested.
What?
Reloading.
That dude ate, bro.
Hardpoint
Holy
contested.
shit.
Hostiles have captured the hardpoint.
Semtex out! Down. Back.
Capture the objective. Hardpoint identified. Friendly Molotov out. Hardpoint
Targets
locked
in
down.
sight.
Hardpoint contested.
Nice.
Friendly Molotov out.
Cover me.
Hardpoint contested.
Come on, guys. You can,
Hardpoint
bro.
lost.
You can't trust your teammates to do anything, man.
Hardpoint is ours.
You legit can't trust your teammates to hold a point.
Reloading.
Alright, I maybe needed off grip on this.
Changing mag.
Friendly Molotov out. Friendly Molotov out. Hardpoint contested.
I maybe needed off grip or something on this.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Capture the objective. Hardpoint identified.
Contact with enemy. Changing mag.
Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. UAV online. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested. Hostiles have the hardpoint.
Camping in the back, not benefiting anyone.
Hardpoint is ours.
Here to push that.
Be careful. Molotov. Hardpoint contested. UAV recon standing by. Repeat. UAV recon standing by.
Down!
Friendly
Keep back
Molotov out. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested.
Got shot!
Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted. UAV online.
I'm hurt.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Enemy Shock RC is coming. Friendly Molotov out. Capture the objective. Hardpoint
Targets in
identified.
sight.
Nice kill, teammate.
Airstrike is ready. SAM turret ready for deployment. Hardpoint is ours. Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted. Friendly Molotov out. Friendly Molotov out. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. UAV recon ready for deployment.
Take it
Friendly
back.
Molotov out. UAV online.
Okay, what?
Reloading.
He just drop shotted the fuck out of me, bro.
Hardpoint contested. Friendly airstrike incoming. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Targets!
Friendly Molotov out. Friendly Molotov out. Capture the objective. They destroyed your
Alright, I
SAM
need to track
turret.
him in now.
Friendly Molotov out.
Reloading. Cover me.
Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Down. Need backup.
From the
Objective
back.
almost complete. Keep it up. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Hardpoint is ours. Friendly Molotov out. Friendly Molotov out. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint.
Bro, imagine they make the comeback on my team.
Semtex
Friendly
out.
Molotov
Imagine,
out.
bro.
Friendly
Getting
Molotov
injured,
out.
man.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Got shot.
Bro, we are getting fucking folded right now, dog. And we don't even have spawns for next.
Friendly Molotov
That's
out.
crazy, bro.
Capture
That's
the
crazy.
objective. Hostile sentry gun in your AO.
Semtex.
Hostiles have the hardpoint.
Bro, we're getting
Be
fucking
careful.
folded,
Enemy
dog.
Molotov.
What? The comeback is real.
Contact with enemy.
Enemy sentry gun has been destroyed.
Semtex out.
Bro, teammate, he's below you, dog. We're losing. We're fucking losing, bro. We're fucking serious, dog.
Semtex out.
Friendly Molotov out.
I'm down.
Oh my fucking god. Bro, are you fucking serious?
Down.
Bro.
Friendly Molotov out.
Yeah, GG's.
Hostile Predator missile inbound. Enemy's XS-1 Goliath is coming.
Bro,
Enemy's XS-1
we
Goliath
fucking
is landing.
threw that match, dog. No fucking way we fucking threw that. Alright, GG's. Oh my fucking god.
tied
They had
for the
spawn
lead.
next. No fucking way they got spawn
Enemy
for next.
UAV spotted. Friendly Molotov out. Lost the lead. Capture the objective. Friendly Molotov out. Friendly Molotov
No
out.
way we're losing this shit.
Be
No
careful.
fucking way.
Molotov. Hardpoint contested. It's too close. Fight harder. Hardpoint contested. We've taken the lead.
Destroy the fucking...
Hardpoint contested.
I'm hurt.
Hardpoint lost.
God, bro. No fucking way, bro. No fucking way we're losing this. Bro, the fucking... GG's, bro. We lost.
Enemy in sight.
We fucking
Tied
lost,
for the
bro.
lead.
Oh my fucking god, bro.
Lost the lead.
No fucking way we lost, bro. No fucking way, dog. No fucking way, bro. What the f... Worst fucking teammates, dog. Bro, they came back from 70 fucking points.
Poor execution out there. Mission profile failed.
Wow. $70 fucking points, bro. What the fuck? That's the dumbest shit I've ever fucking seen in my life, dog. 70 fucking points they came back from, dog. Teammate just fucking threw that, bro. The whole team just threw that. It's a fucking joke, bro.
Domination.
Rush B!
Absolute fucking joke, man.
Capture the objectives. We're capturing A. Enemy taking C. We captured A. Be
They
careful.
just feed
Enemy
them
Molotov.
fucking streets.
Friendly Molotov out.
The
Be
whole
careful.
team fed them
Enemy
streets,
Molotov.
bro.
Friendly Molotov out. Enemy has C. We've taken the lead. Enemy taking Bravo. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Capture.
Let's go this way.
Come on,
Friendly Molotov
right
out.
there.
Enemy taking B.
Teammates are
Be
non-existent.
careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Friendly Molotov out.
Get up on the...
Be
Targets
careful.
in sight.
Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Bro, get up
Friendly
here.
Molotov out. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. UAV recon standing by. UAV recon is standing by. We're capturing Bravo. UAV online. Captured Bravo. Hunter-killer drone deployed.
I got shot!
I'm hurt!
Friendly Molotov out. UAV online. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
ADS speed on this is pretty slow, but
Contact with enemy!
accuracy and damage is pretty high.
Losing
That's all that
Bravo.
really matters for me.
Changing mag.
Clear that hill.
I got shot!
Friendly Molotov out. Captured. Ready for deployment.
I'm down!
Careful. Enemy Molotov.
God, bro.
Semtex out!
Not losing.
UAV online. Be
Not
careful.
losing.
Enemy Molotov. Friendly Molotov out. Friendly Molotov out.
Targets in sight!
Yeah.
We're capturing C.
Not losing any more damn points.
Losing B. We're almost there.
Come on,
Keep
go,
it
go,
up.
go, 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 go,
Objective
go, go,
almost
go, go,
complete.
go, go, go.
Keep it up.
Oh my god, Jesus, I'm dead.
Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Be
Where the hell
careful.
is this?
Enemy Molotov. UAV online.
Martin getting folded like that?
UAV recon ready for deployment. We're capturing C.
Contact with enemy! I'm down! Need backup!
All positions locked down. Hold your positions. We captured C. Losing Bravo.
GG's.
Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
Drake scored that class.
Capture the objectives.
Yeah, Drake has
Online.
good
Rush
SMG
me!
classes.
Capturing C. Enemy
That man is the
taking
best.
A.
One of the best
Capture
SMG
Charlie.
players I know.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Enemy has A. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. UAV online. We've taken the lead. Friendly Molotov out. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Enemy shock RC is coming. Hunter-killer drone deployed. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. UAV online. Enemy taking Bravo. Friendly Molotov out. We're capturing B.
Targets in sight!
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. We captured B.
One is rotating C.
Losing Charlie. Your SAM turret is gone. Friendly Predator missile inbound. We're capturing Alpha. We lost Charlie. Captured Alpha.
Okay,
UAV
what?
Friendly Molotov out. Predator missile inbound. We're capturing C. Secure captured C. UAV online.
Bro! What?
Losing B. Losing C.
Semtex out! Contact with enemy. Reloading.
Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Friendly Molotov out. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Reloading. Cover me. Reloading.
Laser beam.
Keep on them. We're winning this one. UAV recon standing by. Repeat. Recon is standing by.
My god. Headshotted, man. GG.
Enemy in sight.
Losing Charlie. UAV online.
Okay, they're gonna get that.
We lost C.
GG's. That's how you have to play in this season, bro. You gotta play slow. You gotta play rush, bro. You try to rush, you die. That's how it is. You have to play super slow this season.
Mission accomplished. Good work.
But we should be at Master 4 already, dog, but you choke a few matches, man. That's crazy. When my god, what are you doing, bro? Already up. Ready up, though. Yo, Allen back. What's up, bro? Thought I was 22. Yeah, I'm 23. I'm not 22, bro. I'm 23. 23. 23. I did say something, bro. What do you mean? Are you hearing me talking right now? You're not hearing me? Tono CA. I feel in S&D, ADS speed is really key. ADS speed. ADS and movement speed in S&D.
Search and destroy. Defend the objective. They have the bomb.
Changing mag. Cover me. Changing mag. Cover me.
Semtex
Grenade
out!
out. Grenada.
Friendly Molotov out.
Enemy in sight.
What the? Nice red kill. Oh my god, bro, he got
Nice work.
the
Ready
net.
for the next round.
GG's.
Defend the objectives. The enemy has the bomb.
Bro, this class is super slow, but it's effective. That's what I like about it.
Semtex out!
The fact you can put trophies on stairs is mind blowing. Say the least. Alright, I'm fouled though. I need to throw in a knife on this girl or something. It's too.
The bomb has been planted.
Targets in sight.
Last one. Enemy Molotov. It's empty. Enemy UAV spotted.
I'm running ghost. You can't go top there. Be good.
Reloading. Cover me.
Oh my god, the AD, the
Lost that
no
round, but it's not over yet.
hip fire
Ready
was
up.
so off right there, bro. I can't believe I choked that. GG's. Missed my ADS button. I missed it.
Well done.
Oh, GG's. I tried, man.
Defend the objective.
Can't believe I choked that,
They
dog.
have
That
the
was such
bomb.
an easy clutch for me and I choked it. I saw the dude and still choked it.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Enemy Molotov out. Enemy Molotov out.
Enemy contact.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Reloading.
Can't believe I saw the dude and still choked the shots, bro. Such a bot for that.
Hold A! Hold A!
I'm down. Need
The enemy has the bomb.
Enemy in sight.
Not a problem.
The bomb has been planted.
Yeah, we got this. Easy. Easy, man. When you have sensible teammate that is alive,
Bomb
you tend
defused.
to clutch these rounds, you know.
Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
Red Ops draw. I'm not really that hyped for any draws, to be honest, because I'm broke. I can't wait to level up the ARs, bro. It's gonna be insane.
Defend the objectives. They have the bomb.
We're hitting legendary tonight, and then we're gonna grind for the platinum.
Semtex out!
Most definitely.
Friendly Molotov out. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Got shot!
Friendly Molotov out.
Bro. He just bursts around the corner with his fucking alert. Look at this
Need
pussy,
backup!
man. It is alert, bro. What a fucking winner. Imagine using alert, man, in 2020, season 9. I'm salty, guys. It's because I died. Jesus.
Hold B!
Wait, what? You
Reloading.
killed him?
Cover me.
No way, bro.
Reloading. Cover me.
Snipers. Come on, man.
Reloading. Cover me. Enemy in sight.
Bro,
Nice work.
that man
Ready for the next round.
8. Nah, optics, new optics are
Rush
good though.
A.
Like you wanna build like a unique class, a short class, like
Destroy the
long range
objective. We
AR
got the
class.
bomb.
Use optic. Nothing is wrong with
Rush
that.
A.
Absolutely nothing wrong with that though.
Semtex
Careful.
out!
Enemy Molotov.
Wrong gun, my guy. If you want gunfight, you're not gonna win. With that gun.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Friendly Molotov out.
No, why did you? Oh my god. Guys, never do that. You could get legit ninja defuse from that. Don't do that. Don't never smoke the bomb like that. Smoke the pushes. Never smoke the bomb. That's a dumbass move, to be honest. Never smoke the bomb like that, bro. You're gonna sign up yourself for a ninja defuse or something.
Nice work. Get ready for the next round. Destroy the
Rush
objective.
A.
Bomb acquired.
Bro, I need a knife on my class, man. You move so slow. Sucks.
Semtex
Friendly
out!
Molotov out.
Long range accurate class, bro. Can't defeat this.
The bomb has been planted. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Got shot.
It's all up to you now. Finish the mission.
Wow. My teammate just fed that dude 4 kills. Wow.
Bomb defused.
2-shot kill by the
Lost that round, but it's
Sorry.
not over yet.
absolute
Ready up.
beast weapon. My teammate just pushed that dude out and gave him all the kills.
Need backup.
I don't know
Destroy
why
the
did they
objective.
push him.
We
Why
got
did
the
you
bomb.
push him, bro? Like, he's legit one guy killing all of you in the
Be
same
careful.
fucking area.
Enemy Molotov.
That's so dumb.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Enemy Molotov.
Semtex out!
We've lost the bomb.
Reloading.
My God. Yeah, he's in the corner right there. We gotta watch it. No one's watching the back right now. Bro, it's a one dude, bro, with
Down,
the
need
fucking
backup.
DRH.
We're the last one. Complete the mission.
Changing mag. I'm hurt!
He's not expecting this. Or maybe. He's not knowing where the fuck I'm coming from. Or maybe. This is. They killed the DRH dude, so that was good. If it was the DRH dude, I would get one tap in the fucking head and die. Laser beam class, bro. Let's go. My sub milestone is 10k. 10,000 subscribers. It's this needs updating. I gotta update it. I really gotta update it.
Nice work. Well done.
Man, the cordite slaps, man. We'll get it to legendary. When we get to legendary, we're gonna hit that platinum. Easy. 12-13, 4KD, let's go. Cordite is way, bro. Cordite is just a wave, man. Okay. What noobs call other people noobs? Well, noobs. Tell you a dry loadout? What? What do you mean by dry loadout, bro? I don't understand what you mean. Oh, bro, we got Newtown, TDM. We got Camp DM, man. And we got the map where Molotovs literally from everywhere. Bro, this class has zero recoil, bro. 100% accuracy. This is my headshot class right here I'm using. It's not built for speed, but it's built for accuracy and long range. I don't have Nightbot, guys, so that exclamation mark, whatever, not gonna work. I don't have Nightbot, sorry.
Targets in sight.
Enemy Molotov.
Sentry, go!
Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Down!
Molotov. Lost the lead.
This is gonna be the most annoying fucking game I can. Cause these kids are gonna sit there spamming Molotovs. The most annoying map I've ever played, to be honest.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Oh my
Down,
god,
need
bro!
backup.
These kids are such pussies, bro!
Friendly Molotov out.
Fucking god, dog. Like, I legit can't play this game. I just...
Enemy in sight.
I'm down! Need backup! Reloading, cover me!
Headshot almost.
Be careful.
Sitting behind the
Enemy
fucking
Molotov.
edges. Spamming Molotovs, the usual. Not new. Mental on
Friendly Molotov out.
Semtex out!
Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Need backup!
Heads up, teammate. Spotted.
Dude is just fucking camping.
Semtex
No,
out!
it's alright, this is...
Friendly Molotov
Got
out.
shot!
Be careful.
Reloading.
Enemy Molotov.
Bro, the move so slow with this.
Be
That's
careful. Enemy Molotov.
Bro, this is
Be
not
careful.
Molotov.
Enemy Molotov.
Bro, the camping is just getting to me, dog. The
Semtex
camping, the
out!
Molotov spamming, everything, dog. It's just a fucking like...
I got shot!
Molotov out.
Need backup!
I got shot.
Wow, okay.
Semtex out!
Friendly Molotov out.
Contact
Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Semtex out!
Molotov out. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Let go!
Semtex out!
Enemy is jamming our radar.
Targets in sight.
Bring it up, Sheriff.
What?
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Look at the Molotovs, dog.
Enemy
Look at the
Molotov.
Molotovs, dog.
Changing back.
Cover me!
Should have taken off. The desync though? Alright, look at this. Take this shit.
Enemy in sight.
On my screen, I was behind the van.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Which is... Nice.
Semtex out!
Amazing.
Defeated. Don't let this happen again.
GG's, boys. What laser am I using? OWC laser tactical at the moment. Because I want ADS speed and ADS bullet spread accuracy. I like the MYP, but right now it's just all garbage, bro. It's crazy. I'm not really hit firing with this, so it doesn't matter. Well, GG's. Maybe I should just do solo rocket or both of us song. Hold up, let me take off the game. This is just too much, bro. Too much bullshit in that game mode. Go for Battle Royale. Maybe I should just go play Battle Royale. I see like a lot of top streamers doing that right now because of how toxic rank is. Maybe I should just do that until they do something about Malika. Maybe. I just want to get the legendary out of the way, get some gameplays. Really, I'm just doing this for the gameplays, really. Then I'm just gonna work on the camos and work on gameplays and that, and then that's it, bro. They fucked up this season when they added Molotovs as lethals, and they're mocking us basically. If you check Twitter, they're literally mocking us, bro. That's how much of a fuck they give. Done. feel like my ADS speed wasn't fast enough, so throw on an ADS speed,
Domination.
But I'm running no stock. Why am I running stock?
Capture the objectives.
Semtex
Capturing
out!
C. Enemy taking A. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
What is to those Molotovs?
Contact with enemy.
Enemy has Alpha. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Reloading.
We're capturing Bravo.
I got shot!
I'm down! Need backup!
Go for B. Go for A.
Friendly Molotov out. We're capturing Alpha. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. We captured Bravo. We've taken the lead. Losing Charlie. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. We captured A. Losing B. UAV recon.
I'm hurt!
We lost C. Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted.
I'm hurt!
That's a random
Be
ass
advised,
kill, bro.
hostile predator missile inbound.
I didn't even realize
Online.
I didn't even realize that was what's going on, bro. I was so that's why I don't camp. I'm dead. Some guys camping.
UAV online. Losing Bravo. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Capturing C. UAV recon standing by. Repeat. UAV recon is
Bro,
standing
at this
by.
junction, I'm
Be
just playing
careful.
to
Enemy
win.
Molotov.
I'm not even playing
UAV
for
Enemy
online.
in sight!
Capturing C. Losing A. SAM turret
dead.
ready for deployment. We captured C. Losing C. Objective almost complete. Keep it up. Airstrike is ready. We lost Charlie.
Why did I
C. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Losing Alpha. We're almost there. Keep it up.
Contact with enemy.
For deployment.
I got shot!
Online. All positions locked down. Hold your positions.
Well, I'm saving all my
Capture
food.
Charlie.
GG's.
Nice work. Get ready for the next round. Capture the objectives. Enemy taking Charlie. We're capturing A. Enemy has Charlie. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Friendly Molotov out. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. We've taken the lead. Captured Alpha. UAV online. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Reloading.
I'm close to a nuke. So
Losing A. We're
I'm
capturing
chilling
B.
right I'm dead.
Friendly Predator missile inbound. Friendly airstrike incoming. Heads up team. Enemy UAV spotted. Sound turret ready for deployment. We captured B.
Need backup.
UAV online. Lost Alpha. Airstrike is ready.
I'm hurt.
Losing B.
See that,
Capturing
teammate?
C.
Nice.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Friendly airstrike incoming. Capturing C. Molotov. Losing Charlie. Enemy UAV spotted.
Changing that.
UAV recon standing by. Repeat. UAV recon is standing by. UAV online.
Wait, what the? Where's he?
Targets in sight.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
I got shot.
Changing mag. I got you.
Predator missile inbound.
Bro, I'm trying to get this nuke right now.
Loading.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Got shot.
Why do I have a feeling I'm gonna
Losing
die
C.
around here?
I'm hurt.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Contact with enemy. Reloading.
I'm down.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. We lost C. Being dominated. Take those
Yo,
positions.
what?
We lost B. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Bro,
We're
I
capturing
feel like I'm gonna
Bravo.
die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Down.
I'm gonna die.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Hostiles.
No, come on,
You're
dude.
hurting. Keep fighting. We're capturing
Bro,
C.
I'm not running any.
Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted.
No!
We're capturing Alpha. Enemy
No, why
UAV
not?
spotted.
No fucking way. We don't have any
Enemy
points.
Shock RC is coming. We captured A. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Friendly airstrike incoming. Losing Alpha.
There's absolutely no fucking way right now, bro.
Captured B.
Can't get this.
Target.
What?
Keep on them. We're winning this
What?
one. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
What?
I got shot.
No fucking way, bro.
Losing A.
No way.
Semtex out.
Enemy Molotov. UAV online.
Bro.
Semtex out.
Yeah, they're not gonna cap A. Fuck that. Hell no.
Losing Alpha.
Targets in sight.
Reloading.
Oh, we
Cover
got
me.
it.
Changing mag. Cover me.
We can win off this, yeah. Definitely winning.
Enemy Shock RC is coming.
Oh shit. Bro, Oh, it's coming for me, bro. Holy snap. Oh shit, I'm dead.
Losing A. Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted.
Down.
Nice work, teammate. Not losing that.
Be advised, hostile hunter-killer drone
Bro, what the
inbound.
heck?
Cover me. Reloading.
Contact with enemy.
Enemy Molotov. Losing Alpha.
Bro. Oh my god, dog. Yo, he ate so many bullets though. Oh my god, GG's. And my annihilated light was right on that dude and it missed, dog. Like, how the fuck does that make sense? GG's. Oh my god, bro. I almost had the blue choke, then yo, GG's. GG's, man. Oh,
Just another day. Good job.
Bro, I did so well, man, with that loadout. 30 and 6, bro. Oh my god. Bro. Yeah, I play on charger as well. So close, man. Choke the nuke.
Targets in sight.
Guys, be sure to smash that like button. You're enjoying the stream so far.
Search and destroy.
Not many interactions right now, but you know, it is what it is.
Defend the objective. The enemy has the bomb.
Bro, I'm running so slow.
Friendly Molotov out.
Semtex out.
Friendly Molotov out.
I'm dead. Y'all pushing
Reloading.
me.
Cover me. I'm down. I have contact.
They have the bomb.
Wow. He spot me, bro. Nice kill.
You are the last one.
My god,
Complete the mission.
GG. Nice
Reloading.
class, bro. He spot me. Spotted me at the time. Nice kill. QQ9 guy remains, bro.
Reloading. Cover me.
That class is lazy. Yo, the bomb's down, bomb's down, bomb's down.
Contact with enemy.
No way he loses this. This, bro. Bro. Yeah, he's gonna lose.
The enemy has the bomb.
Oh my fucking god, bro. You should have just camped the bomb, man. GG's. He has to plant A with B. I don't think he has enough time to rotate A. Or maybe he does.
The bomb has been
Yeah,
planted.
have to plant B.
Targets in
Heads up.
sight.
Enemy UAV spotted. Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted.
Bro, you're so bad. Oh, he almost
Reloading.
cheats.
Cover me.
Yo! He almost choked that. He had it, GG's, dude.
Bomb defused.
Well done.
He almost choked.
Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
Almost choked, man. GG's, bro.
Thanks.
Defend the objectives. They have the bomb.
I almost lost faith in you, brother. What you came through?
Friendly Molotov out. Friendly Molotov out.
Contact with enemy. Semtex out.
The fact that, look at that, bro. Look at that. Look how high I fucking jumped for no reason, bro. I vaulted over the vehicle so fucking high. GG's. That's amazing. Yeah, bomb's down.
The enemy has the bomb. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Enemy contact.
They have the bomb.
Attacking from
Oh,
here.
you saw him in yellow.
Hold B.
Reloading. Cover me. Cover me. Reloading.
Hold B.
It's all up to you now. Finish the mission.
I'm down. Need backup.
Lost that round, but it's not over yet.
GG's, man.
Ready up.
Most of that is on me, bro. I fucking folded that.
Defend the objective. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Semtex out!
Friendly Molotov out. Friendly Molotov out. Friendly Molotov out. Be
Targets
careful.
in sight.
Enemy Molotov. The enemy has the bomb.
No!
Attacking from here.
Bro, I'm glitching.
Reloading.
I got shot.
The bomb has been planted.
I'm down.
Last minute standing. Finish it.
Contact with enemy.
Bro, look at this shit!
Changing mag.
Lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up.
GG.
Defend the objectives. They have the bomb.
Semtex out!
Friendly Molotov out.
Got shot.
Bro, my own grenade almost killed me.
Be careful.
got shot.
Enemy Molotov.
Down! Need backup!
Nice work, teammate.
Attacking from here. Enemy in sight.
Yo, bomb's down right here.
Cover me.
The enemy has the bomb. They have the bomb.
Oh my fucking
Down!
god.
Need backup!
Bro, even now my teammates can't pick up positions on the map dog to kind of like protect me, bro. Like I'm sitting there, I'm sitting dot there the entire fucking time, dog. My teammates just sat there, bro. I'm a sitting dot, dog. I need help.
Hold B.
Holy fuck. Yeah, I gotta throw in a knife, man. I gotta throw in a knife. That's something, bro. Throw on faster when bro, I'm legit a sick.
Enemy contact.
Oh my fucking god, bro.
Lost that
Where do
round,
I
but
get
it's not
these
over
teammates
yet.
from, dog?
Ready up.
Jesus Christ.
Destroy the objective. Bomb acquired.
Took the bomb, bro. Jeez.
Friendly Molotov out. Friendly Molotov out. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Molotov and man, bro. Martin. The one dude is going in here, I think.
Reloading. Cover me. Targets in sight. I'm hurt.
Shouldn't have peeked that. That was a dumb play from me. I had a car died. Try that dude.
Bomb dropped.
Bro.
It's all up to you now.
Changing mag. Cover
Finish the
me.
mission.
GG's. GG's, bro. Chad, man.
Reloading, cover me. Contact with
Careful.
them.
Enemy Molotov. Friendly Molotov out.
I got shot!
Does he clutch this? Ah, Jesus.
Well done.
I'm down!
Lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up.
GG's, man. Stroke dodge.
Rush B.
I don't know why they keep on going fucking
Destroy
over.
the
Let's push B.
objective. We got the bomb.
We legit can push B, dog.
I got shot.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
I'm down! Need backup!
Why did they push
Contact
up
with
there?
enemy. Semtex out. Let's go this way. Reloading.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. The bomb.
Wow. Oh no no no! Come on, teammate!
Complete the
You're
mission.
right fucking there, dog! My fucking god, bro. Fucking joke, man. Oh, 26 seconds. Bro, this is... Oh my fucking god, dog. Bro, I killed 2 fucking players. That nigga fucking turned his back, bro. Oh my fucking god, bro. This shit is so aggravating. That's better I sold the rank, man. Fucking... Bro, it's mind-blowing, dog, the bullshit I have to deal with, dog. Fucking mind-blowing, man. Oh my fucking god. Bro, I killed 2 enemies. My teammate just turned his back and fucking ran. Yo. Oh my fuck. Let's get some gameplays, man. It's whatever. Oh.
Hard point. Hard point identified.
Feel like I need to run
It's
fast.
too close. Fight harder.
Targets in sight.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Hostiles have captured the hard point. We lost the lead. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Hard point is ours. Hard point contested. Hostiles have the hard point.
Reloading. Cover me. I got you.
No fucking way that dude survived that.
Hard point
No.
contested.
Mine's 8, bro. Jesus. We need all this time to catch up back on them.
Contact with enemy.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Cover
Come on, guys, get the time.
We tied for the lead. We're taking the lead. Hard point contested.
Out.
Bro, what the fuck is this?
Capture the objective. Hard point identified. Hard point is ours.
Changing mag!
Reloading.
Fine, I'll do it
Reloading.
myself.
I'm down.
Need to go spawns for next. Go spawns for this hill.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. UAV recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. UAV
Targets in
online.
sight.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Bullets didn't even
Hardpoint
register.
contested.
Look how long that bullet take to register on that dude. No one on the point. Let's go. Nice work. Nice fucking work.
Hardpoint locked down.
I'm down. I'm hurt. Save it. Down.
Drone!
Changing mag.
What the f?
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Hardpoint contested. Capture the objective. Hardpoint identified. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint.
Bro! Wait. Yo!
Hostiles have the hardpoint.
Wow. Okay, COD.
Enemy UAV spotted.
Okay, COD. Alright. Wow. Alright. Makes sense.
Contact with enemy. Semtex out.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Down. Need backup.
Hardpoint is ours.
Makes sense.
I got shot.
The objective is updating soon. Get ready.
Hostile care package inbound.
Where's that care package? Bro, what the?
Capture the objective.
GG.
Hardpoint
Where's his,
identified.
Targets in sight.
UAV recon ready for deployment. Enemy shock RC is coming. Hostiles have captured the
Bro!
hardpoint. Be careful.
My analytics
Molotov.
didn't fire. My analytics didn't even fire, bro! This game!
UAV online. Hardpoint locked down. UAV online. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. It's empty. Enemy UAV spotted.
Reloading. Cover me.
Why did I mount?
Enemy in sight. I'm hot.
Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint lost. Capture the objective.
Changing
Hardpoint identified. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Hardpoint locked down. UAV recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by.
Wow.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. UAV online.
Come on, guys, he's weak.
Hardpoint
Contact with
contested.
enemy.
Hostiles have the hardpoint. Enemy shock RC is coming. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Enemy is jamming the relay. Heads up.
R13.
Enemy UAV spotted. Hardpoint is ours. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint lost. UAV online.
I've got spawn tonight. I think.
Capture the objective.
Targets in sight.
UAV recon ready for deployment. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Hardpoint locked down. Objective also
fucking
clear.
God, I drove
Keep
that.
it up. Heads up, team.
Drove
Enemy
that so
UAV
much, bro.
spotted.
I'm not spawn down, man. Come on, team.
Hostiles
Let's
have
get
the
it.
hardpoint.
Semtex out.
Enemy UAV spotted.
Come on,
Careful.
teammates.
Enemy
We got
Molotov.
this. Bro, why are we not on the point? Like, how are we not? It's another loss, bro. No fucking way it's another loss, bro. I'm not having this shit. Not having this shit.
I'm hurt.
Not.
Enemy in sight!
Oh my fucking god, bro. Where's my teammates, bro?
Hardpoint is ours.
I got you!
Hardpoint contested.
Okay, alright. Spawn out.
Capture
Of
the
course.
objective.
Of course I spawn out,
Hostile
bro.
sentry gun
Oh
in
my
your AO.
fucking god. No fucking way, bro. Look at that shit. Full clip, man.
Hardpoint lost.
Semtex out!
Hardpoint locked down.
He's not dead. Oh, fucking
Hardpoint contested.
Targets!
Oh my fucking. Bro, rank is just like. Bro. Just gotta gather some gameplay and get off fuck offline, bro. This shit is just too much, man. This is.
Mission accomplished. Good work.
Rank is just so fucking stressful right now, bro. No fun whatsoever, man. Just stress. Alright, we need to change up that MSNC loader now. Running goes on all the classes. Alright, let's get some gameplay with this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, MSMC is quite OP now. Bro. Nah, I didn't lose so much, bro. I lost a match because like my teammates were like, it's so stupid, man. Shit hurts my head, dog. Shit hurts my head to even think about it, man. It's crazy. Imagine not having a good device, you have to download third-party apps, bro. That's crazy. GG's. Yeah, I got a buff, bro. I'm essentially shreds now. I played like Shipment 24/7 with it. Another SND, man. Let's see how this one goes. If I lose, I just gotta cut my losses, bro. Like, I literally can't do anything right now, bro. It's crazy. Kids I get from my teammates, man, they are legit the most brain dead kids I've ever.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Enemy contact! Cover me! Reloading! Reloading!
Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
My God, it's fine on your phone as well. What's my... Bro, I just showed the loadout, my guy.
Search and destroy.
Here it is. I'm gonna show it after this. I can't show it in-game like this. I'm gonna have to show it after this.
Destroy the objective.
But
We got the bomb.
I'm only focused on, I guess, stability when using the MSNC.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Friendly Molotov out.
Enemy in sight! Changing
Be
mag!
careful. Enemy Molotov. Lost the bomb. It's
Bro,
all up
my
to you
teammate
now.
stood
Finish
right
the
there,
mission.
dog.
Be
Yo,
careful.
my teammate stood right there, bro. Oh my fucking god.
I'm hurt!
Bro.
Reloading! Cover me!
Oh my.
Lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up.
You just joined the stream? Alright. I'm gonna show it after this. Bro, Molotovs are just...
Destroy the objective. Bomb acquired. Be careful.
I
Enemy
can't have
Molotov.
smoke and I can't...
Targets in
I
sight.
can't...
Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Yeah, no, we're going to be... Bro, don't please tell me my team has got this. God, man.
Friendly Molotov out.
I gotta bug it up, bro. Bag it up. Alright, that's how one dude there.
Bomb dropped. Last man standing. Finish it.
That's on me, bro. I didn't see him. I wasn't expecting to be. I didn't
Cover
want to
me.
plant
Reloading.
because my teammate was under
Enemy
pressure.
contact.
I didn't just want to plant and put my teammate under pressure. And I went for nice work, dude.
Reloading!
No. Yo, he's on that head glitch right there. Nice. He's right there, bro. On that head glitch. Yo, no, go around. Don't go around. Go around. Oh my god, should have went to run.
Lost that round, but it's not over yet.
Oh
Ready
my
up.
fucking god, bro. Why did you push that? Go around. The moment he goes around, he has the advantage of close range combat, bro.
Destroy the objective. We got the bomb.
Bro, like, it's common sense, dog. Come on, man.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Contact
Be
with
careful.
enemy.
Enemy Molotov. Enemy Molotov.
Bro, my gun is fucking glitching. Bro, what the fuck?
Reloading.
I'm dead.
Lost the bomb.
Bro, what are you guys? Bro, look at these kids.
Rush B.
What the f?
I'm hurt! Changing mag!
De
Rush
preferencia
me.
vayan todos por la izquierda para que vayan más cerrados.
They're not running dead silence as well. This is gonna be weird, guys. No stop loadout on this. That's actually
Bomb acquired.
nice.
Rush B.
Dude, where the fuck are you going, my guy? Go plant B.
Rush B.
Bomb has been planted.
Rush B.
What is he doing?
Rush B.
Oh my fucking god.
Sniper!
Oh my fucking god, bro. Like, dog. Where do these kids come from, bro? Where? I mean, even if we win, it doesn't matter, bro. But I'm asking, dog. Like, what? What's the fucking... Do these kids run on Windows XP?
Last one.
Yeah,
Complete the mission.
Bro, do these kids run on Windows XP,
Nice
dog?
work.
I have
Ready
to
for the
fucking
next
ask,
round.
bro. What kind of fucking, like, bro? You heard Rush B 4 times. Make a fucking
Destroy the
push.
objective. We got the bomb.
Targets in sight.
Enemy Molotov. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Pancakes out.
Friendly Molotov out.
Bro,
I'm down!
I got
dropped.
No,
It's all up to you
fucking
now. Finish the mission.
This dude, I don't even know what the fuck is his
Contact with
purpose,
enemy!
dog. What is his purpose, bro? What is this dude's purpose, dog? What is his fucking name? Greatest. Bro, look at this man, dog. Look at this man,
Be
bro.
careful. Enemy Molotov.
Oh my fucking god, man.
Lost that
Look at
round,
this
but it's
man,
not over
bro.
yet. Ready up.
The teammates I have, man. GG's. Oh my.
Defend the objective. They have the bomb.
Oh.
Friendly Molotov out. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
I'm down!
Friendly Molotov out.
Okay, what?
Reloading! I'm down!
Okay.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Reloading.
GG's.
Reloading! Cover me! Reloading!
Bro, look at the. Yo, what is this man even doing, bro?
Last
Oh
man
my
standing.
fucking god, yo. I'm done, dog.
Enemy contact!
I'm fucking.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Oh god, bro.
Lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up. Defend the objectives. The enemy has the
Bro, I'm
bomb.
taking off SND after this, bro. Like, it's too much, man.
Sandbags out!
Fucking
Be
Christ.
careful. Enemy Molotov. Enemy Molotov out.
Let's go this way.
Down. Need backup.
I got shot!
I'm hurt!
These niggas high key running Windows XP.
It's all up to you now. Finish the mission. Be careful. Molotov has been planted. UAV recon standing by. Repeat. UAV recon standing by.
Oh, no.
UAV online.
No, switch.
Bomb defused.
Contact with enemy!
Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
Fucking
Well done.
bro. Shut the fuck up.
Defend the objective. They have the bomb.
All on fucking me and I'm losing points.
Semtex
For the
out!
loss.
Enemy Molotov. Friendly Molotov out.
Reloading! Cover me!
Bomb's down here, so I'm chilling.
I'm down! Need backup!
Friendly Molotov out.
Bro, I'm not even pushing those guys, dog. I'm
down.
just holding them down. Because I know my team is gonna fucking, like, lose that shit.
Hold A.
I'm afraid to push up, dog, because
Sniper a la izquierda.
I'm
The last one. Complete the mission.
fucking called it. I'm fucking scared to push. Because of that. Just because of that, dog.
Sniper!
Yeah, the sniper.
The enemy has the bomb.
Reloading!
Bro, stop ADSing, what the fuck? Bro,
I'm hurt!
oh my fucking god, bro, what?
I'm hurt.
What?
while. Stand down.
Sorry.
Reloading.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Targets in sight!
Domination. Capture the objectives. We're capturing A. Enemy taking Charlie. We captured A. Enemy has C. Friendly Molotov out. Friendly Molotov out.
Semtex out!
We're capturing Bravo.
Changing mag.
Friendly Molotov out.
I got shot.
Enemy contact!
Careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Friendly Molotov out. Friendly Molotov out.
Bro, I keep on ADSing for no fucking reason, dog. Keep on ADSing for no reason, bro.
Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted. Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted. Friendly Molotov out. Friendly Molotov out.
Bro, move!
Semtex out! Enemy in sight!
We captured Bravo.
I got shot.
Bro, my...
Enemy online. We've taken the lead.
I got shot!
Friendly Molotov out. Enemy Shock RC is coming.
Fucking hate this game, bro.
Down.
Enemy Shock RC is coming. Be careful. Friendly
Look out! Need
Molotov.
backup!
Friendly Molotov out.
Semtex out! Contact with enemy!
Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
What? Bro, how the fuck did he know what's coming there?
Friendly Molotov
What?
out. UAV online.
Oh,
Semtex out!
okay. He's running hardline, by the way. He's camping and running hardline, so he's gonna have
UAV
to.
online. Heads up. UAV spotted. You're hurting. Keep fighting. Keep on them. We're winning this one.
Changing mag.
Target!
Losing Bravo.
Motherfucker's running hardline, bro. Scary. GG's, man.
Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted. Friendly Molotov out.
Got shot.
Oh my god, what the
Nice work.
Reloading.
For the next round.
Oh my fucking god, this game is garbage.
Capture the objectives. Enemy taking A. We're capturing C.
Rush B.
Enemy has Alpha. Friendly Molotov out. Friendly
Target's in
Molotov
sight.
out. We've taken the lead. We captured
One's
C.
on the wall.
Be careful.
100%.
Enemy Molotov. Friendly Molotov out. UAV recon ready for deployment. Friendly Molotov out. Capturing B.
Okay then.
Hunter killer
Okay.
drone deployed.
That makes sense.
Online. UAV online. Friendly Molotov out.
Interesting.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Friendly Molotov out. Friendly Molotov out.
Zero damage.
Friendly Molotov out.
Go for the cat, go for the cat.
Rush B.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
They're gonna do the same.
I'm down. Need backup.
Semtex out.
Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted.
I'm down.
No! What? How many bullets?
Enemy taking B. Friendly Molotov out.
Fuck!
Semtex out.
Friendly Molotov out. Spotted. Friendly Molotov out.
No.
Friendly Molotov out. Capturing Bravo.
Changing mag.
I'm dead, I'm dead.
Capturing B. UAV recon standing by. UAV recon standing by. UAV online. UAV online. Losing C.
No fucking way.
Down.
Friendly hunter killer drone deployed.
I'm down.
Capturing
I am
Alpha.
contact.
We're almost there. Keep it up. UAV online.
Changing mag.
Bro, why does it keep on ADSing? Oh my fucking... Bro!
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Objective almost complete. Keep it up.
Down.
Oh my... The lag? Jesus.
Friendly Molotov out. Losing B.
Enemy contact.
UAV recon ready for deployment. Friendly Molotov out.
Reloading. Semtex out.
Down. Need backup.
SAM turret ready for deployment.
Wow. Jesus. Motherfucker 8, bro. Oh.
Contact with enemy.
But I think I need to throw on more fucking ADS bullet spread accuracy weapon attachments, bro, because this shit is just not working, man. Bullets not registering, dog.
Nice work. Well done.
doing this, bro. See if this helps. This should help. Bro, I honestly feel like playing shipment is a better option than fucking playing rank. I don't know when rank is gonna get any better, bro, but that's what I do my gameplays on, by the way, rank. I feel like I do much better. I want to showcase like loadouts and show persons the best classes and whatnot to use in rank, right? That's what I do, bro, but it's fucking almost impossible to make content right now due to the fact that it's all Molotov spamming, bro. It's all Molotov spamming. Shit's getting so much out of hand right now that it's crazy. Just want to get this over with, man. Get some gameplays, edit some videos tonight, and then play. Get the plans going.
Targets in sight!
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Friendly Molotov out.
Changing mag. Reloading. Cover me.
Now let's see if this build works better.
Hard point. Hard point identified.
It's gonna be all Molotov spamming.
We tied for the lead. Friendly Molotov out. Friendly Molotov out. Hard point is
Got
ours.
shot.
We've taken the lead. Friendly Molotov out.
Shot.
Hostiles have the hard point. It's too close. Fight harder.
Another amazing team, bro. GG's.
We lost the lead.
Fucking god,
Be
man.
careful. Enemy Molotov.
Another amazing team,
Friendly
bro.
Molotov out.
What a win.
Friendly Molotov out.
I'm down. Need backup.
Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested.
GG's.
Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint lost. Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted.
Targets in sight!
Enemy UAV spotted. Hardpoint is ours.
I got you.
Hardpoint contested. Enemy shock RC is coming. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Friendly Molotov out. Capture the objective. Hardpoint identified.
Semtex out!
Why can't I get some coordinated ass Phoenix, bro?
Hardpoint locked down.
I'm
Hardpoint
hurt.
contested. Friendly
Can't
Molotov
throw.
out.
Can't
Hostiles
throw
have
because you
captured
know
the
Call of Duty
hardpoint.
Mobile is the best.
Friendly Molotov out.
Can't fucking throw, bro. Amazing.
Semtex out!
My fucking god.
Friendly Molotov out.
Why do I keep on doing this, bro? My edit button is all the way over there, man. Why? Come on, bro.
Hardpoint contested. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Hardpoint lost. Friendly Molotov out. Hardpoint is
Contact
ours.
with enemy.
Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted. Hardpoint contested. The enemy is jamming our radar. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint lost. Be careful.
Contact,
Enemy
out.
Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Hardpoint is ours.
Reloading.
Alright, I'm just gonna play
Friendly
like
Molotov out.
stop playing objective.
Capture the objective. Hardpoint identified.
Bro, I can't
Friendly Molotov out.
I can't prone! Is that not a thing anymore?
I'm hurt. Reloading. Cover me.
Semtex out!
I'm down. Need back. I got you.
GG's, we lost.
Hostiles have captured the hardpoint.
Target!
Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint is ours. Friendly Molotov out. Friendly Molotov out. Enemy UAV spotted.
Wait, what?
Hardpoint contested.
Bro, I can't move. GG's. Oh my fucking god, they all
Enemy
spawned
Shock
here.
RC is coming. We tied
Oh
for the
look,
lead.
they have spawns for next. What's not new?
We've taken the lead.
Imagine. Bro, what the fuck is this? Bro, it's... Yo!
Capture the objective. Hardpoint identified.
I got you.
Bro, look at this! My fingers ain't...
Hostiles have the hardpoint.
Targets in sight.
Bro,
It's too close. Fight harder. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Man.
Friendly Molotov
I don't
out.
know what
We
to
lost
do.
the lead. Friendly Molotov out. Hardpoint locked down.
That's
Hostile
right.
Predator missile
GG's, I
inbound.
dead.
Enemy Shock RC is coming. UAV online. Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted. Friendly Molotov out. We tied for the lead. We've taken the lead.
I'm hurt. Changing mag.
Contact with enemy.
UAV recon standing by. Repeat. UAV recon is standing by. UAV online.
Cover me. Reloading.
Capture the objective.
Semtex out!
Need backup.
Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint contested.
No fucking way we
Hostiles
lost-
have
bro.
captured the hardpoint. Friendly Molotov
How?
out. UAV online. Hardpoint locked down. Friendly Molotov out. Friendly Molotov out.
I'm down.
I got you!
God, man.
Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint lost.
Oh my god, bro. I just want to win this match and get off this map. Let's get it over with, bro.
Hardpoint is ours.
Nice work, team.
Friendly Molotov out.
I got here.
It's
Bro,
empty.
I-
Enemy
Targets in
UAV
sight.
spotted. Friendly
I keep on
Molotov
getting
out.
that ADS glitch down when my screen just goes such and ADS is on its own, bro. Keep on getting that shit.
Hardpoint contested.
Semtex out!
Need backup.
Nice, bro.
Friendly Molotov out. Objective almost complete. Keep it up. Hardpoint contested. Capture the
Oh, no, no,
objective.
no.
Friendly Molotov out.
Changing mag.
Hardpoint contested.
Changing mag.
Hostiles have captured the hardpoint.
I
Molotov
have
out.
contact!
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Hardpoint locked down. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Hardpoint is ours. UAV recon ready for deployment. UAV online. Hardpoint contested. UAV online.
One shot!
Friendly
Bro,
Molotov
how is he
out.
not dead?
Hardpoint contested. Friendly Molotov out.
GG's. Nice work, team. What? PUBG? Bro, you're coming to a Call of Duty mobile stream asking if I play PUBG? What? Of course not. Of What's not do? Why would I play PUBG? Why would I play PUBG, man? Why would I play PUBG, dog? I'm sorry, bro. This is the wrong stream, man. This is same PUBG stream. I'm not a PUBG content creator, bro. I'm a Call of Duty mobile, Call of Duty Molotov content creator. You know?
Just another day. Good job.
That's what I am, bro. Out here struggling in these fucked up shit, bro. That's what it is. Out here struggling, man. Bro, I'm hot as fudge. Show us your loadout. Show me, man. You're gonna see these loadouts in the video tomorrow, anyway, so it doesn't matter. Or today. This is what I'm currently using on the MSMC. This is what I'm currently using. It might be flash guard. Many persons like to use the monolithic, but ADS bullet spread is decreased, ADS speed decreased, ADS movement speed decreased. Overall accuracy decreased, but the range is good on it. Alright, the range is good. So what I can do is I can try it. Try this. For the stealth as well. And I'm running the stock. Real good. That's pretty much it. I'm saying, since I'm running like a suppressor class, I can run toughness, alright? For that extra stability. Bro, I'm hot as fudge, bro. My iPod is boiling. I need another fan. Alright, let's see how this goes. Yeah, man, it is decent.
Domination.
It is decent.
Capture the objectives. We're capturing A. Enemy taking Charlie. Friendly Molotov out. Friendly Molotov out. Enemy has C.
Targets in
Alpha.
sight.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Friendly Molotov out. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Enemy taking Bravo. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Friendly Molotov out. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Capturing Bravo.
Bro, my god.
I'm hurt! Reloading. Cover me.
UAV recon ready for deployment. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Reloading. Cover me.
Reloading.
UAV
I'll
online.
capture B.
Friendly Molotov out. Capture B.
Contact with enemy. Reloading. Changing mag.
We've taken the lead. UAV online. Friendly Molotov out.
Oh my god, bro!
Online.
I glitched. I didn't even see him. He was moving so damn fast I didn't even see him.
Semtex out!
Friendly Molotov out.
Reloading. Cover me. Down. Need backup.
Finally get a good team I can get behind, man. Run out of bullets.
Semtex out!
Enemy Molotov. Hunter killer drone deployed. Friendly Molotov out.
I need to get back in my control right now.
Targets in sight.
Friendly Molotov out.
Down.
Ah, bro.
Reloading.
Bro, no way my teammate can get that kill. Holy shit, no way, bro.
Semtex out!
I ran out of bullets so damn fast.
Reloading. Cover me.
Losing B. Friendly Molotov out.
Semtex out!
UAV online.
Down. Need backup. Changing mag.
Molotov out. Losing Bravo.
Semtex out! Changing mag.
Objective almost complete. Keep it up.
Enemy contact.
How did that miss, bro? Oh my fucking god. How did that miss?
Semtex out!
Missile inbound. Friendly Molotov out.
Semtex
Lost Bravo. Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
Yeah, HG4 is actually a beast, bro. I used it earlier.
Keep on them. We're winning this one. Capture the objectives. Enemy taking
Semtex
Alpha.
out!
Capturing C. Captured Charlie. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Contact with enemy!
Heads up. Enemy spotted. Enemy has A. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. We've taken the lead. Friendly Molotov out.
Reloading. Cover me.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
See, that ADS bullet spread and that ADS movement speed, that's why I lost
Friendly
that
Predator
gunfight.
missile inbound.
Semtex out!
Capture Bravo. UAV online. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Predator missile
Two shot in
inbound.
the leg. In the toes, two shot. I would never get that much
Semtex
damage.
Cover me! Reloading! I got shot!
Teammates are in their spawn.
Friendly Predator missile inbound. Recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. Molotov out. Hunter-killer drone deployed. UAV online. Friendly Molotov out.
Bro, how the hell am I about to struggle with so many low hits, bro? I was
Semtex
popping off in the
out!
first part.
Contact with enemy!
Bro, I can't move.
Reload! Cover me! Changing back! I'm down!
GG. I got beat from the left.
Semtex
Beat from the
out!
right.
Friendly Molotov out.
Pussy's camping up top. I'm going for him.
Friendly Molotov out. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Careful. Enemy Molotov.
Enemy in sight!
Fighting. UAV recon ready for deployment.
Changing mag!
Capturing Alpha. UAV online.
Cover me! Reloading!
GG's. Bro, I came from bottom throttling to top throttling. What? GG's.
I got shot.
I should also do the RUS as well. I have an RUS class. I forgot which SMG I was supposed to do. RUS is it?
Mission accomplished. Good work.
I already did the Razorback gameplay. Alright, I need to change this ugly ass skin, bro. Too big. We'll try hard with my guys. Alright, so this is the loaders I'm using. No stock. I think I need 36 fast reload on this. Alright, this can work. Alright, let's do it. Let's go. Hey, shout out to the 25 persons that are in the chat right now. I'm just gonna hit legendary, guys, and then get off. End the stream and edit videos, upload videos. And then grind for the whatever that camo is. Platinum. On all SMGs. I'm a bot. Facts, bro. Nothing but bot level gameplay over here, man.
Domination. Capture the objectives. Enemy taking A.
Semtex out!
Capturing C. Enemy has A. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Capture Charlie. Friendly Molotov out. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Target
Be
this
careful.
side!
Enemy
Wait,
Molotov.
what? My trophy didn't do anything?
Friendly Molotov out.
Down! Semtex out!
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Enemy taking Bravo.
Semtex out!
Oh, we got some.
Friendly Molotov out. Enemy has B. Lost
Oh my,
the lead.
what the fuck? This Zap dude is just beaming me, man.
We're capturing B.
Semtex out!
We need to go for this Zap dude is just beaming me.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Wow. Okay, COD. Okay. GG's. Okay, COD.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Enemy in sight! Reloading!
Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Bro, what the fuck is this song? What?
Hunter-killer drone deployed.
Semtex
UAV
out!
online.
Bro. We're 1 on 5 right now. What the fuck?
We captured Bravo. UAV online. Friendly Molotov out. UAV online. Counter UAV up. Blind. We're capturing Alpha.
Bro, why the fuck do I keep on ABSing? Bro, what the fuck?
UAV online.
Contact with enemy. I'm down.
UAV recon
Need backup.
standing by. Repeat. UAV recon is standing by. Friendly Molotov out. Friendly Molotov out. Friendly Molotov out.
I'm hurt!
UAV online.
Reloading. Cover me. Semtex out!
Alright, this loadout sucks, actually.
Losing C. Be careful. Molotov. It's too close. Fight harder. Tied for the lead. We've taken the lead. We're capturing A.
Reloading.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Objective almost complete. Keep it up.
Target
Enemy
in sight!
Molotov out. Be
I'm
careful.
down!
Enemy Molotov. Losing Charlie.
I got shot!
Losing C. Capturing Alpha. Friendly Molotov out.
What the? Oh, wow. The game crashed. Let's go, bro. Game crashed. Let's go, man. Absolutely amazing. Bro, if it doesn't let me load him back in the game, bro, I would fucking lose my cool, man. Bro, I can't hear shit right now. Let's go. Hard mobile, man. Let's go. I'm sorry, guys. I can't hear shit either. But, you know? No, no, what the fuck? Oh, my. Ah, Jesus. Okay, then. Wow. Alright. What? Wow. Alright. I'm dead. Bro, we're losing right now. What the fuck? Come on, guys. We're losing. Look at the gap. Solo, bro. No sound. What the? Triple cap. Let's go. I'm protecting that B flag with my life, bro. I don't care. Bro, no sound, dog. What? What? Come on, guys. Get them off. Bro, what the fuck my team doing? Bro. Oh my fucking god, dog. Of course I get hit from the side, bro. No. Bro, look at my team, dog. Of course I get hit from the fucking side. I can't hear nothing right now. Legit. Come on, guys. Go cap it. Go cap it. Fucking. Go, go, go. Nice, nice. Bro, spawn me in. What the What? What the fuck? Oh my fucking god. This game is garbage. What the fuck? But I have to wait until the game go back to the home screen. Then I'm gonna close the game and restart it. Bro, y'all see that shit? Wow. That's not good. So weird. Get out this fucking game, bro. Bro, it's still not. I'm still not getting any audio. What the? What is this? Bro, I'm still not getting any audio, dog. This game is fucking. Bro. Bro, I'm not getting any audio any at all from my thing. Bro, no audio, dog. No audio. What the? Yo, give me a second, dog. I'm not getting any audio from my game. Give me a second. Let me restart my. Absolutely stupid, dog. I'm not getting any audio any at all. Ah, it's so stupid, man. What? Ah, we got audio again. Oh my gosh, bro. What the fuck was that? What should I put on for this? What should I put? That's not staying up so late. Fast, bro. Like, even me, bro, I just came from work and I started streaming, dog. Like, I had to get content out for you guys. Still on that grind, man. Just whatever, bro. Alright. Give me mother. Come go ahead. Ah, amen. I for that boy. That's all done. All finished. Hmm? No, because I'm sure if you get content. But we got 61 likes in here, 3 dislikes. Shout out to the pussies that dislike the stream. Imagine. Oh, dark matter and diamond. Interesting. Oh my god, bro. These guys again, man. We're playing versus a whole squad, bro. These are the same guys we squad up against. So dumb. This is skill-based matchmaking, man. Oh my god.
Reloading.
These are the same guys we squad up against, bro.
Domination.
Oh, I wasn't running any ghosts on this class. That's why.
Capture the
That makes so much
objectives.
sense now. Wasn't running any ghosts, bro.
Enemy in
Capture
sight.
A.
Bro, it can't
Enemy
throw.
taking Charlie. We're capturing Bravo. Friendly Molotov out. Friendly Molotov out. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. We captured A. Enemy has C.
Simtex out.
UAV online. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. We captured Bravo. We've taken the lead.
Reloading.
Friendly Molotov out. Friendly Molotov out.
Enemy contact.
UAV recon ready for deployment. Friendly Molotov out. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Wow.
Friendly Molotov out.
I'm lagging a bit. Look at that, bro. What is this
Friendly
lag,
Molotov
man?
out.
What is this lag? What the fuck? Y'all see that?
UAV online.
Dude trying to flank.
Friendly Molotov out. Losing A.
Contact with enemy.
UAV online. Losing
Simtex
Bravo.
out.
Friendly Molotov out. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Friendly Molotov out. Friendly Molotov out.
I got shot!
Friendly Molotov out. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Reloading. Cover me.
What the fuck?
Objective almost complete. Keep it up. UAV online.
Simtex out.
Bro, when they get specialists, they're just
They're
gonna
hurting. Keep fighting.
go ham, bro. They're just waiting on their specialists too.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Bro, why the fuck? Yo, the game is so bugged. I'm even ADS in mid here, dog.
Enemy in sight.
Nice work. Get ready for the next round. Capture the objectives. We've taken the lead.
They're about
Enemy
to
taking A.
rape us with their annihilator.
UAV online. Enemy taking Bravo. We're capturing C. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. 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 Enemy has Bravo. Friendly Molotov out. Captured Charlie. Friendly Molotov out. Hunter-killer drone deployed. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Predator missile inbound.
God, bro.
We're capturing.
Subject out! Enemy inside!
What the fuck?
Enemy has A. Friendly Predator missile inbound. Capture B. UAV recon standing by. UAV recon is standing by. Losing Charlie. Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted. UAV online. UAV online. SAM turret ready for deployment. Friendly Molotov out. Enemy shock RC is coming. Airstrike is ready.
Changing mag, cover me.
Bro, this man is laser with this
Friendly
thing, bro. Look at
Molotov
him,
out.
bro.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. UAV online. Friendly airstrike incoming. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Care package inbound. Losing B.
Targets in sight!
Friendly Molotov out. Molotov out. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Losing Bravo. UAV online. UAV online. Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Counter UAV up. Blind. We lost B. We lost
Come on, team,
Bravo.
go for B.
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. We're capturing Bravo.
Subtext out!
Be careful. Enemy Molotov. Friendly Molotov out. Enemy UAV spotted.
Reloading, cover me!
Capturing B.
Enemy contact!
Told you they were just waiting on their annihilators to actually make an impact.
Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Annihilators, man.
Enemy shield turret deployed.
I'm
We're
down.
almost there.
Need
Keep it up.
backup.
Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted.
Reloading, cover me!
Enemy shield turret deployed. Enemy shield turret deployed.
Cover me! Reloading!
Y'all were just waiting on annihilators.
I'm down!
Friendly Molotov
Subtext
out.
out!
We're
Contact
capturing
with
Bravo. Be careful. Enemy Molotov.
Cover me, reloading!
We're winning this one.
Changing mag, cover me!
I got shot!
Come on,
Capture
teammates,
Bravo.
bro. What the fuck is this? Why is he behind us?
Losing B.
Why the fuck was he behind us, bro?
Lost B.
No one's watching
Enemy
mid.
UAV spotted. Enemy shock RC is coming. Hostile
really
hunter-killer
changing
drone inbound. We're capturing B. We captured B.
Nice.
Enemy in sight!
Where?
Predator missile inbound. Losing Bravo.
Okay then. Nice.
UAV online.
GG's. Bro, everything right now in COD is fucked. Everything. You just gotta use the most broken gun. Bro, just camp with the DRH. Simple. That's all you gotta do, bro. Camp with the DRH on the cardite. Successful method proven.
Just another day.
Alright, I need to get some
Good
more
job.
gameplays this and then I'm soon to legendary, bro. Might as well just hit legendary and get offline. Yeah, GG. Bro, I feel it for the persons who are grinding to leaderboards with all these hackers and all that in the game. Hackers and broken molotovs and all that shit. God Mobile making a mockery of us now. They're just laughing because okay, it's cool to have a broken weapon always in the game. Then you have the brain dead kids saying, "Oh, let's use a fucking trophy." Like, are you dumb? Without fast throw, you can't use a trophy effectively versus Molotov. Even you're supposed to run around with a trophy in your hand, waiting for someone to like throw a Molotov so you can hope that you can get down your trophy before the Molotov hits you. Most of the time, even if your trophy's down, the Molotov still hits you, and you die. And then there's the issue of if you put on fast throw, you can cook your grenades. If you're a what you call it, a frag grenade kind of person. I'm a sticky grenade, so it doesn't really matter to me, bro. But frag grenade person who like to cook their grenade, you can't do that with fast throw. So there it is. 50 fucking Molotovs, shrapnel or whatever that perk is. Kids throwing that, double Molotovs, 10 Molotovs per team, right? Going at each other. That's rank. That's Call of Duty Mobile rank, bro. And so actually you have persons, you might have like a person camping with a fucking RPG bill, you know? Sitting in towers on fucking, what you call it? Flying range, right? And boom. He has a trip mine on the ladder, right? And he has a trophy up there, and he's sitting there with a fucking RPG class, right? Spamming that shit. And he has, what's that perk? Persistence, right? So he can't, even if you kill him, he's gonna pull out a VTOL, he's gonna pull out a, what that fucking streak called? Goliath. And boom. He has a annihilator running at you as well. That's it. They win. No form of skills. I don't know what the hell happened just now, bro, but my internet just tripped out. Crazy. Hey. You're not sleeping. Why you not sleeping, young lady? It's not gonna work with solo kills just the same. It's the same bullshit, bro. Doesn't matter whatever. Q I do. Solo Accelerate. Ah, the game sucks, man. Game sucks, real time. Yeah, I might just call it tonight, man. I've been streaming for 3 hours now. It's alright. Thank you all for tuning to the stream. I'm calling it tonight. Or day, whatever. I'll be streaming later on today.